Good morning student. Today we are going to learn third standard English grammars 13 number chapter concept of conjunction. Concept of conjunction. Which chapter we will see here? See then 13 number chapter concept of conjunction. Okay, what is mean by conjunction? See here, conjunctions are joining words. They join together words, groups of words and sentences. Conjunction are joining words. They join together words, groups of words and sentences. Now listen, conjunction means what? The joining words. Okay, they join together words and groups of words and sentences. आता पहा, कंजंक्शन हे काय आहेत? जोड शब्द आहेत. पहा, म्हणजे जे कोणाला जोडतात तर दोन शब्दांना, दोन शब्दांच्या ग्रुपला किंवा सेंटेन्स मीन्स वाक्य. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, कंजंक्शन म्हणजे काय आहेत तर जोडणारे असे शब्द आहेत, दोन सेंटेन्सना जोडणारे असे शब्द आहेत किंवा दोन वर्ड्सना, शब्दांना किंवा दोन शब्दांच्या ग्रुपला किंवा सेंटेन्सना जोडणारे वर्ड्स म्हणजेच काय? कंजंक्शन. Okay, do you understand? No, conjunction means what? Now listen, see here, look at the following picture. Okay, look at the following pictures here and look at the following examples. Now listen, see here, look these pictures and look at the following examples here. Now listen, see first Vikas and Kiran. See here, Vikas and Kiran means in two words we join join these words which, then see here and. आता पहा, विकास आणि किरण ह्या दोन्ही शब्दांना कोणी जॉईन केलेला आहे तर अँड ह्या शब्दांनी काय केलेलं आहे? जॉईन केलेलं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे कंजंक्शन कोणता वर्ड झाला? अँड. नाउ लिसन, सी हियर, second sentence. See here, the old man and his son. The old man and his son. Now listen, see then second number sentence, the old man and his son means the old man, his son. Okay, means here is the groups of words. Okay, groups of word, the old man and then which his son. Okay, join these words in those ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड, जॉइन देन विच वर्ड्स अँड. आता पहा, इथे दोन शब्दांचा काय आहे? ग्रुप आहे, द ओल्ड मॅन अँड हिज सन. तर ह्या दोन शब्दांच्या ग्रुपला कोणी जॉईन केलेला आहे? जॉईन केलेला आहे अँडनी. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो. नाउ लिसन, सी देन थर्ड नंबर सेंटेन्स, हेनरी इज प्लेइंग बट his sister is reading. Henry is playing. Here is the one sentence. No. Now listen, see then second sentence, his sister is reading. His sister is reading. Okay, means Henry is playing but his sister is reading. Okay, in those two sentences then join this which word? Then but. Which word? But. Now listen, first see here, Vikas. Here is the Kiran. Okay, two words join then which word? And. आता ह्या दोन शब्दांना कोणी जॉईन केलेला आहे तर अँडनी. द ओल्ड मॅन, then see then second his son. The old man, his son. Okay, these two groups of word join then which words? And. Okay, now listen, see here, the Henry is playing, his sister is reading. Here is the one sentence and here is the one sentence. Okay, these two sentence join with which word? But. See then in the first example, the two words Vikas and Kiran are joined together by and. Okay, in first sentence, see here, Vikas and Kiran join together by then which word? And. Okay, now listen, see then second. In the second example, two groups of word, the old man, his son are joined together by and. आता पहा, इथे दोन वर्ड्स आहेत, वर्ड्सचा ग्रुप आहे द ओल्ड मॅन अँड हिज सन. आता ह्या दोन वर्डच्या ग्रुपना कोणी जॉईन केलेलं आहे? अँडनी. नाव लिसन, इन द थर्ड एक्झाम्पल 2 sentences. हेनरी इज प्लेइंग, हिज सिस्टर इज रीडिंग आर जॉईन टुगेदर बाय बट. नाव लिसन, हिअर इज द 1 sentence. नो, हेनरी इज प्लेइंग. आता हेनरी इज प्लेइंग 1 sentence झालं. In the third example 2 sentences. Henry is playing, his sister is reading. Okay, are joined together by but. आता पहा, Henry is playing and second sentence which his sister is reading. आता ह्या दोन सेंटेन्स ना कोणी ॲड केलेला आहे, कोणी जॉईन केलेला आहे? बट या वर्डनी. ओके, मीन्स डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, कंजंक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट? Conjunction are joining word. They join together words, groups of words and sentences. Now listen, conjunction means what? Words that join together words, groups of word or sentences are called conjunction. Okay, conjunction means what? Words that join together words, groups of words or sentences are called conjunction. म्हणजे पहा, वर्ड्स म्हणजे जे शब्द आहेत त्या शब्दांना किंवा शब्दांच्या ग्रुपला किंवा सेंटेन्सना जोडण्यासाठी जो आपण शब्द यूज करतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? कंजंक्शन. ओके स्टुडंट, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, कंजंक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट? नाव लिसन, सी हिअर द फ्यू एक्झाम्पल. ओके, कंजंक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट? वर्ड्स दॅट जॉईन टुगेदर वर्ड्स, ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स और सेंटेन्सेस आर कॉल्ड कंजंक्शन. आता पहा, जे शब्द काय करतात? दोन शब्दांना किंवा शब्दांच्या ग्रुपला किंवा सेंटेन्सना काय करतात? जॉईन करतात. त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? कंजंक्शन. स्टुडंट, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? नो, कंजंक्शन मीन्स व्हॉट? सी हिअर द फ्यू मोर एक्झाम्पल्स विल equip you with enough knowledge of the conjunction. See here, first sentence, Vikas and Kiran are student of class 3. Vikas and Kiran are student of class 3. आता पहा, विकास आणि किरण ह्या दोन शब्दांना कोणी जॉईन केलेलं आहे? तर अँड ह्या वर्डनी काय केलेलं आहे? जॉईन केलेलं आहे. सी देन सेकंड सेंटेन्स, The old man and his son went to the market. The old man and his son went to the market. म्हणजे the old man and his son went to the market ह्या दोन शब्दांना कोणी ॲड केलेलं आहे? तर अँड ह्या वर्डनी. See then third number sentence, Henry is a naughty. Henry is a naughty but his sister is very gentle. Henry is naughty but his sister is very gentle means Henry is naughty and his sister is very gentle are joined together by the but. आता ह्या दोन्ही काय केलेलं आहे? सेंटेन्सना कोणी जॉईन केलेलं आहे? तर बट ह्या वर्डनी. यू कॅन टेक अ बनाना ऑर एन ॲपल. काय घेणार आहेस? बनाना की ॲपल मीन्स in those sentence. Okay, banana and apple joined together by the or word. See then next sentence, he is rich yet he is humble. He is rich means are joined together by these two sentences are joined together by the 8 words. Okay, now listen, see the next sentence, you must study hard. You must study hard otherwise you will fail. You must study hard otherwise you will fail mean in those sentence then join this which word? Otherwise. Do you understand? Now listen, see the next sentence, she fell down while she was playing. She fell down while she was playing means in those sentence join then which word? While. Okay, now listen, see the next sentence. Now listen, see the next sentence, you can take a banana or an apple. We see no here, we can take a banana or an apple. तू काय घे? बनाना घे किंवा काय कर? ॲपल घे. ओके, means here is the two words, no, banana and apple join this which word? Or. See the next sentence. He is rich, yet he is humble. Okay, now listen, here is the two sentences join, then which word? It. See next sentence. You must study hard. You must study hard. तो अभ्यास कसा कर? खूप कर. Otherwise you will fail. नाहीतर काय होईल? तू फेल होशील. See next sentence. I will give you my pen. I will give you my pen if you give me your pencil. मी काय करेन? माझ्याकडचा पेन तुला देईन, परंतु तू काय करायची? तुझ्याकडची पेन्सिल मला द्यायची. मीन्स I will give you my pen. Okay, you will give me your pencil. Okay, mean these two sentences join which word? If. See the next sentence. He was Mira. He was Mira because she is good girl. Sorry, he was not the. We love Mira. We love Mira because she is good girl. आता आम्ही कोणावरती प्रेम करतो? तर मीरावरती करतो, कारण ती कशी आहे? खूप छान मुलगी आहे. मीन्स वी कॅन लव. ओके, अँड शी इज अ गुड गर्ल. ओके, जॉइन दिस टू वर्ड्स, देन विच वर्ड? बिकॉज. सी द नेक्स्ट वर्ड sentence. See here. Aman broke the window pan. Aman broke the window pan. Therefore he was jumped. Therefore he was jumped. आता पहा, अमोरने काय केलेलं आहे? विंडो पॅन काय केलेलं आहे? ब्रेक केलेले आहे. Therefore म्हणजे का? ही वॉज द पनिश्ड. त्याला काय मिळेल? याची शिक्षा मिळेल. Okay, student, do you understand? No, Vikas and Kiran was student of the class 3. Okay, Vikas and Kiran joined by then which word? And. See the next sentence. The old man and his son went to the market. The old man and his son went to the market means the old man and his son went to the market are joined then which word? And. Okay, see the next sentence. Henry is a naughty, but his sister is very gentle. Henry is naughty, but his sister is very gentle means Henry and gentles. Okay, these two sentences, two words join this, then which word? But. See, you can take banana or an apple. You can take banana or an apple means these two sentences, two words join with A. Okay, he is rich yet he is humble. Okay, means he is rich and he is humble. Okay, two sentences are joined with then which word? Join with 8 word. Okay, see the next sentence. You must study hard otherwise you will fail. तू जर चांगला अभ्यास केला तर तू काय होशील? पास होशील. Okay, otherwise. She fell down while she was playing. She fell down. ती पडली. Okay, she was playing. ती पळत होती तेव्हा. Okay, means those two sentences are joined with then which word? File. See the next. I will give you my pen if you give me your pencil. तुम्ही काय कराल? मला पेन द्या, मी पेन देईन तुम्हाला, नाहीतर मग त्याच्या बदल्यात तुम्हाला काय देईन? पेन्सिल देईन. See the next sentence. She fell down while she was sleeping. ती पडले का? कारण ती कंटाळलेली होती. See next sentence. I will give you my pen if you give me your pencil. मी तुला माझा काय करेन? पेन देईन, तू मला काय करशील? पेन्सिल देशील का? We love Mira because she is a good girl. आम्ही सगळे काय करतो? तिच्यावरती प्रेम करतो, कारण ती कशी आहे? चांगली मुलगी आहे. Aman broke the window pan, therefore he has punished. Aman broke the window pan, देअर फॉर ही वॉज पनिश्ड. अमर हा काय आहे, द वंडरफुल मॅन आहे. देअर फॉर ही वॉज पनिश्ड, त्यामुळे त्याला काय मिळाली, शिक्षा मिळाली. ओके स्टुडंट, डू यू अंडरस्टँड नो धिस चॅप्टर मीन्स विच कन्सेप्ट ऑफ कंजंक्शन. I think you understand it. Thank you.